the cat. Look at my cat. She's sleeping at the moment. I'll show you my cat awake. Even slowly sleep. Look at it. Look at the cutie cutie. Look at his little toes. Look at it.